Begin in your schools because schools across the state can now have access to a life-saving medication that can reverse the effects of an overdose.
News 19's Victoria Samuels has those details.
Naloxone, better known as Narcan, is a life-saving drug reversal medication. It will be given to all schools in South Carolina for the 2023-2024 school year. Earlier this year, the South Carolina legislature passed House Bill 4122, which authorized DHEC and SCDE to add this drug to the list of medications school nurses are permitted to administer. Beginning today, schools will be given the opportunity to stock their campuses with Narcan through a DHEC distribution event. Richland School District 2 will be one of the districts stocking their schools with Narcan that's administered with quick sprays in the nose. Dawn McAdams is the coordinator for health services at Richland 2.
It's not if we need it, but when. Several school districts have had very close calls. Fortunately, we know that high-quality CPR is important, calling EMS, and if you have a resource officer, many of them also carry Narcan. But this will just be an added safety measure, another tool in our toolbox when we have someone with a suspected opioid overdose.
Dr. Traxler is the director of public health at DHEC and says that the increase of suspected opioid overdoses on a school campus has increased recently.
I mean, we went from 7 to 10 a year in 2019 and 2020, and that's statewide, to 18 to 20 in 2021 and 2022. And as of just through March of 2023, there had been 7.
Victoria Ladd is a school nurse consultant and says that there are many reasons why students would come into contact with opioids.
We do see a lot of prescription opioids in the school age population because of dental procedures. This is the age when kids get wisdom teeth out. They have lots of sports injuries and, kids with knee surgeries, things like that. They do get prescribed opioids for pain.
In Columbia, Victoria Samuels, News 19 WLTX.
And the drug maker that makes Narcan nasal spray says one person dies from an opioid overdose roughly every 8 minutes in the U.S. Almost 102,000 Americans died from a drug overdose between October of 2021 and October of last year. And in 2021, DHEC says over 2,000 people died from a drug overdose in the state of South Carolina.
And DHEC is now offering free overdose safety kits at all health departments across the state. Each kit has 2 doses of Narcan, 5 fentanyl test strips, and also guidance for how to identify if somebody is having an opioid overdose. DHEC says the kits are crucial to battling the opioid epidemic, especially in rural areas.